Hi and welcome to this new video about maxOffsetsPerTrigger, property of Apache Kafka source in Apache Spark structured streaming. So if you remember, in the previous video I showed you the perfect use case when we replayed previously processed microbatches and we got exactly the same elements in every microbatch. But this time we will do something more complicated, less predictable, because you will see that there will be some difference between the first and the second execution of the same microbatch. And to show you that, I will use exactly the same consumer, except that it will subscribe to this less perfect use case topic. And I will also use exactly the same data generator, but the difference is that I will stop the generation after the third microbatch production. So as you can see, the events are exactly the same, except the microbatch number 3, that will be the stopped one, because here I am producing only two records that will be later fulfilled with the microbatch number 4. So let me start the generator. Of course, my Apache Kafka broker is up and running from the previous demonstration. And as you can see, I can start by sending the messages, but I will start now the less perfect consumer. Okay, and I can start to produce the messages. We correctly consumed the first microbatch, and now we will consume the second one and the third one that we will stop. So as you can see, we have only 2 items here. So now I will stop this, and I will also save previously processed data to the text editor. So globally, I will start the reprocessing starting from this part, so I can discard all previous ones, and I will say after reprocessing. And now I will remove the checkpoint location, the checkpoint offset, and commit metadata from the microbatch number 5. So I will need to stop this consumer first. Okay, and now I will produce the remaining items that you will see will introduce some inconsistency in the max offsets in the processed items in given microbatch, in the microbatch number 5 to be more exact. So we produced all items, and now we will consume the remaining ones, starting from the previously processed microbatch number 5. And as you can see, unlike the previous execution, we have here 4 items and not 2 as in the previous execution. So it shows clearly that in some cases maxOffsetsPerTrigger won't guarantee the idempotent processing, but of course it's a good way to enforce it and also to control a bit better the throughput of the consumers, because the load and the amount of data that is processed is more predictable. So as I said, I have 3 videos on this topic, so it's the second one, and in the last one I will show you another even less perfect use case. And of course this video alongside the article, both are linked in the description of this video. It was Bartosz Konieczny from 18forcode.com. Thanks for watching.